Can you all believe the lace is still on? Look. This is crazy. This is actually magic, okay? Baby, let's wear, baby. Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stacy, and today I am back with another video. From the title, you guys already know what we are going to talk today, but before we go into the video, please you guys give me a thumbs up, like this video, and share it with your friends and families. Let me know down below what you think about this video, okay? Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. This is how the wig comes in this packaging. It took just 24 hours to get to me because I'm in China and the factory is in China as well. So this is how it comes. Very beautiful box. Thank you so much Afsisterwig for sending me this beautiful 14 inches Swiss lace bob in 150% density. So in the box you can see we have the wig. They also sent me the different laces which they have: adjustable band, a wig cap, and yeah, this is a little form which if you get a wig from them, you have a bonus, you can win something. So when you get the wig, make sure you read all of those things, okay? So let's see how the wig looks like from first review, from first impression. I love the fact that this hair is silky straight. You can get those bouncy straight look, and it has a fake scalp, so you don't need to bleach anything. The hair came already bleached and all of that. The fake scalp matches perfectly with brown skin girls, and it was already bleached inside, as you can see, and then it came pre-plucked. So it's something which you just get it. You don't need to customize or take it to the hairstylist to wear for you. You just get it, wear it, and you go. It has you don't have to do so much work, nothing at all, because what I did was just something normal which everyone can just do. But going out to customize, you don't need to do it on these wigs. It also has these adjustable straps and 4 clips inside, which I'm just going to use the one behind, and no shedding at all. All right guys, so before I show you guys how I wore this wig to be like this, I'm going to talk about the various laces which you can find in the market, so you guys know I'll always tell you guys the truth, okay? I'm going to always tell you guys the tea. So in the market we have 3 kind of laces, not even 3, so many. Like the Chinese will always, let me not say, if you go on AliExpress or those websites which I don't know, they'll always tell you we have HG lace, we have Swiss lace, we have transparent lace, we have brown lace. All those laces are going to confuse you. Without you even knowing what you are going for, you will be confused. So today I'm going to tell you guys, show you guys the different kind of laces, so that you guys will judge from your own, like how you want your hair to look like. So I know you guys have been confused everywhere. People have been saying there's brown lace, there's HG lace, there's this, and they're trying to fool you guys to get things which is not true. So today I'm going to give you all the tea, what lace, how you will understand which lace is good for you, or you will know which lace you're actually buying, because some of this factory you know what they do, they will tell you something and then whatever then they just pick something and send it. First of all, we have like the regular brown lace. This regular brown lace, this is how it is. This is how it is. Because I'm actually brown skin, it matches with my skin, but it has a little bit, it's thicker, and it has a little bit of white undertone, which needs me to do a lot of customization, like bleaching, like using tints, hair tints, and makeup to actually blend to my skin, but it's still going to look thicker, and it doesn't stretch. It doesn't really stretch that much, and it's very thick. You can see how it is. You can still see it from my skin, right? This is the regular brown lace which people always use. This lace is durable actually, and those of you who want to be wearing wigs for, like, let's say for example, you want to wear wig, take it off, wear it everywhere all the time, wear it, take it off, this lace will be good for you because it's going to be durable. But this is not like this, it won't give you that melting effect like those hair you see on Instagram. Most of those hair on Instagram, they mostly use HG lace. So if you want to have those melting effects, like, this is not the lace for you. Okay, look, it's strong, but it's not going to melt into your skin. I know you guys cannot see it because this thing actually matches my skin, but I can see it because it has like this white undertone going on. So I still need to tint it or do something about it. We have the transparent lace. This transparent lace is actually durable as well. If you are someone whom you are confused of what to get, either it's a transparent or Swiss lace, because most often the Swiss lace are good for dark skin people. Any light skin person, you cannot lighten it up. So for the transparent lace, you can use it both dark skin and light skin. With the for the light skin, it matches perfectly with their skin, but for the dark skin girls, you need to tint it so that it goes to your skin tone. So let me show you how it looks like upon your skin. It's also durable and very thick and strong. You can also use it for your everyday week kind of situation. Yeah, so this is it. Look how white it is, right? It is a transparent lace. The transparent lace. It is very white as compared to the normal waist lace. For me, if I'm supposed to do a wig, without getting, when I don't want to get like the high quality lace, I'll just get this brown lace, or I'll get the brown lace. This will match my skin easily. But this one too is good because I can tint it to the exact color of my skin tone. So now I'm going to show you guys this HD Swiss lace. This is the Swiss lace which Afsisterwig comes with. This one melts into your skin. It's actually it stretches, and then it's a little bit durable. So you don't have to be rough with it, especially when you're trying to pluck, because it's going to tear the lace. So, and it blends very well to the skin. So if you are that person who wants this melt things going on, so this lace is for you. Let me show you how it melts to the skin. You can see without anything, it just goes to the skin. It melts down into the skin. You can see. So I'm going to put God's to be spray on the 3 laces so that you can see what I'm trying to show you guys. So this is a Swiss lace, Swiss HD lace, Swiss HD lace, and then transparent lace, normal regular brown lace. So I'm going to use the God's to be spray to spray it so that you see how it melts into the skin. See, this is a Swiss lace. It disappears into your skin. Look at the let me put more so that all of them goes. Look at this Swiss lace. It disappears into your skin. I'm also going to insert a picture of a light skinned person so that you can see how it disappeared in their skin. I actually use it on one of my Chinese friends. It actually disappears in their skin. This is the brown, the transparent lace. This one is very thick. You can see it still needs me to do a lot of coloring. And then look at this one. The same thing. It's very thick and it still needs me to dye. So from what I showed you guys, which lace do you think I have on? Of course, it's the HD Swiss lace. It blends to the skin. You can see I did not even do anything like bleaching the knot, anything. I just used my foundation, which I'm going to show you guys in the course of the video. I'm just going to use my foundation, which is even lighter than it's too light for me. I was supposed to just use foundation which is my skin tone or something a little bit darker, because because of the knots. If you want something perfect, you just bleach the knots and then tone it, then you'll get a perfect look. But anyways, I love this wig so much because it blends so perfect with my skin, and I didn't have to do so much on it, like bleaching the knots, all of those things. I just did a little bit of plucking here. I changed the patterns, and then I plucked here, and then I just used my got to be spray and then tie it down with my elastic band, which I'm going to show you guys later. Guys, this is the hair when before changing the pad. So I'll just go ahead and change the pad, then do my makeup and show you guys how I installed it. So I don't really like the way the pad is on my right side, so I'll go ahead and change the pad to my left side. Remember, this is a 13x6 frontal, so you can change the pad anywhere you want. And due to this fake scalp, you don't need to bleach the knot, and the hairline is already pre-plucked. You can see. Yes, I'll just go ahead and do the changing of the pattern on my mannequin head. So now I'm going to use this makeup to just define my path the right way so that it becomes straight. And then in this video again, I'm going to change the path. I'm going to change the hair to be wavy. I don't really like straight hair, although it looks so beautiful on me. If you like it straight, you can leave it straight, but me, I'm so extra, guys. I'm so extra. Look at the lace though, without any bleaching of any knot, no foundation being underneath. I went ahead and I destroyed the lace again by putting foundation, so I should have even just leave it like that and everything would have been good. But I added some foundation which actually ruined my things. Okay, you guys don't do the same mistake I did. So I'll go ahead and cut it now, then do my curls and come back. I don't know if I'm going to show you guys how I do the curls, but then you'll just see. So I won't be showing anything detailed on how to wear a wig gluelessly. I have a detailed video which I'm going to link up, which you have to check that video on how to wear your hair gluelessly, like what I'm doing here. I just spray the got to be spray, tie it down, use blow dryer to dry it, and then boom, we are done. So guys, aside from the lace being very good lace, the hair quality itself is the bomb, guys. There's a difference between lace quality and hair quality. So guys, so when you want to buy, if you want me to talk about hair quality, you also let me know down below. But as for the hair, look how blend. I did not bleach nothing, no pluck. Everything came va-va-voom. Everyone can easily wear it. Lace wear, baby. Oh my god, guys, I love this hair so much. It is just the perfect look for me. Look how melted this lace is. Thank you so much, Afsisterwig, for sending me this 14 inches 13x6 160 density wig. And yeah, guys, if you want to earn some coins by getting this same wig, use the code Stacy, STECY, to get a 12% discount. And thank me later. Guys, so this is how I got all these curls. Yeah, so I enjoy wearing the hair in curls. And if you also want to get same curls, I'll leave a link down below which you have to check those videos how I curl the wig. And also do check Afsisterwig wigs on their website. You can check. And also if you want to order the same wig, you have a discount code of 12%. Ha! Can you imagine? Just use the name Stacy in STEECY in capital letter and you get a discount. Yeah. I'll always hook you up with those people. And also if you are a vendor who wants to buy and sell, this is your opportunity to get a factory. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.